Welcome to your new home here in Australia. Australia is a country of modern cities and vast wilderness. It is the home of many unique and wonderful animals. The flying fox, the kangaroo, the koala bear, a creature adored throughout the world. But much less famous is the koala bear's not-so-cuddly cousin, the drop bear. Both the koala bear and drop bear evolved from a giant ancestor from the Pleistocene era. But unlike the harmless koala bear, the drop bear is a vicious carnivore. As well as native animals and livestock, the drop bear has also been known to attack man. There are many theories on how to deal with Australia's drop bear population, or how to protect oneself. But the best advice is to simply avoid areas inhabited by drop bears. If in doubt, why not ask a friendly local? And with a bit of common sense, you should be free to enjoy your new life here in Australia. And remember, look up when in the outback.